What's up, idiots? It's 8-Bit Hacker here, back on our dink video. Today we're gonna be doing an install video. Windows 98. Windows 98. On this. It's a purple AT computer. Wait,
hey, there's something behind it.
There is?
Yeah.
This isn't an AT machine. This is a 1.53 gigabyte, 5.25 SCSI hard drive. Hey! Look at this, man! It's a 1.58 gigabyte hard drive from SCSI interface with nostalgic drive spinning sound. It will literally blow your face off with its 5.25 full height form factor.
Oh my god.
It's so big you have to put this in here for 2 slots instead of 1. Oh, time to go in.
Not even going
Shit.
But it just keeps rolling though.
Ah! What the?
Why would it go in? Go in.
That's what she said.
Are you like putting it in backwards?
No, it's going in the right way. It's just too big. It's literally too big.
You're gonna have to get like a.
Oh, I know what's wrong. Hold on.
What's the name of those giant ATX cases?
I don't know.
You're gonna need one of those.
But look, this thing right here is the problem. This thing right here.
You're gonna have to clip it out.
You have to clip it out. Since I got this this thing out, we're gonna try that again. Attempt number 2.
Okay.
Imagine if I put it in the wrong way.
Yeah, imagine
that.
Then we got to start all over.
Hey, it fits.
It fits now.
Yay! You have to put another CD drive in there, though. That's the thing.
Why?
So we can install Windows. Oh.
Are you even gonna fit in there without how big that thing is? I don't think there's enough room for a CD drive.
I don't fucking know, bro.
I don't think there's even enough room for a CD drive in there. Oh
There is. I know there is. Give me one. Give me one of those.
No, like look at that. That's
Give me one of those.
That's like it's not gonna fit. Okay, try it. It's not gonna fit in there. It's not gonna. I was wrong.
I was right.
I was wrong.
Barely fits.
Me dumb dumb. Me dumb dumb.
I should put a
Look
black
at that.
one
Look
in.
at that. But like, let's just do a little size comparison. 1.5 gigabytes in this big ass thing, and then
And
we
this
got
can
my
hold up to
iPhone.
8.
We got my iPhone here, 128
Get this
gigabytes.
shit out of here.
Like, look at this
That's
shit. Look at this shit.
This is 1.4 megabytes. Alright, so what OS will we put on this thing?
We're gonna put Windows Me.
No, Windows 98 SE is too bland, so no.
So is Windows ME because it's literally just 98 too.
So Windows 98, too
No.
bland, so
No. Windows ME is just Windows 2000.
and it's gross, and it's really
sucks.
unstable, yeah. Windows XP?
We'll keep that in consideration because it's pretty good.
Windows fundamentals for legacy PC is basically the same thing as Windows XP, so my
Your mother.
damn small Linux.
Bruh. No, it has a swear word in it. No. You can't do that. We'll get demonetized. You have monetization, right? We'll get demonetized.
Alright, Tiny Core Linux, let's see here. Maybe.
Maybe.
Puppy Linux, nah, I like puppies, let's do this one.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. We're now going to do the power on test. Ready? Begun. Down, up. I hear it. Ah, shit. Okay, so we got the computer to work. Now all we need to do is we need to install the operating system on it. Let me just hold on a sec. Aha! So we have PS2 keyboard, power or CA output. We have parallel ports, 2 USB ports, PS2, capture card, Sound Blaster Odyssey, S Video, VJ. I messed those up. AC97 sound, joystick port. Yeah, let's plug this shit in. We got video. Oh shit. We got video. Let's go. We got video. Yay. We got flipping video, boys. Let's go. We got video. Let me just turn off the flash real quick. Alright, let's get up, I guess. Okay, so I think I figured out the issue. It was the bad DVD drive. So now we're gonna boot and we're gonna install it from DOS. Windows 98 from DOS. Let's do it. Let me just make sure it's all set up here and ready to go. Yeah. Alright, okay. Now all we have to do is put the DVD drive. No, the CD drive in the ROM drive, I guess, yeah. Which one should we install? What does that need it? Yeah, let's do it. This is so cursed, bruh. At least this one works. That's good. Yay! Okay. What the hell? Well, that was fast. Whoa! That was fast! See Windows. It's gonna work! Yes! Alright, what should we name this computer? Alright, let's see here. What should we name it? Well, let's name it... I don't know. What the fuck? Scuzzy thing. Description. What? So my iPhone has storage. I fixed that though. So let's see if this actually will boot up this time. So yeah. So yeah, waiting for it to install right as we speak. I'm going on my laptop. Check my Discord.
One eternity later.
Dun, 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 dun. It finally loaded. After like an hour of waiting, it finally loaded. So let's see if this thing logs in. And we'll see if I can do anything on it. So let's do that real quick. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah. It actually worked. My god, it actually worked. Oh. It actually works. Oh my god. It actually works. Oh my god. The mouse is working as well. It's good. It actually worked. At long last, we have a good working hard drive. A 5 1/4 inch one. With Windows XP basically on it. So that's cool. Oh my god. Let's see if I can... Properties. Let's see if it's actually registered correctly. Imagine that. Jesus, that is loud. That is loud. Wow. Imagine installing Windows 7 on here. There's no way in God's name we'll do that. But we do have it on the second partition though. Oh. We are all set, I guess. Let me just make sure. Jesus fuck, it's loud. Jesus fuck, put it back in, it's clearly not done yet. Do I have the audio set up? Hold on. Yeah, let me plug in the audio, see if we get audio on this fucking thing. Let's see if this thing actually has sound on it though, first of all. Let's see here. Oh, is that sound? Is that sound? Is that sound? Hallelujah, we have sound. Oh my gosh. Yes. This is great. This was a really good project to do. And yeah, well, next up we're gonna be doing some more DOS things. So this is the first in the series. First in a series of videos. I'm doing like this computer experiments series, I'm not sure. But let's make this series real quick. It's gonna be like this series where I do computer experiments with old vintage hardware. As you have seen. This is great. We officially installed Windows XP on a 5 1/4 inch 1.5 gigabytes hard drive from 1989. So yeah, that'll be it for today guys. Hope you enjoyed this video and signing out. Goodbye.